This is a 1962 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. The owner of this car is a graphic designer. So what he's done is he's recreated a typical advertisement of the era for this car. Very interesting talking to him, and we were talking about the use of jewelry in the ads and the typical pictures of women with the Cadillac. And the owner said that they found that the women actually made the decision to purchase the automobile. It had to appeal to them. The husbands provided the money, and the women made the decision about the car. This is one beautiful car. Every detail is perfect. It is the restoration that magazines are made for. A 390 cubic inch engine, of course every conceivable extra. Flawless paint and interior. And there you see some more information about the car. Bought in Washington, D.C. And the sticker price of over $8,000 is the equivalent of unbelievable amount of money today. Just an amazing amount of information the gentleman has posted on the car. And that interior has such a sleek, modern look. On top of the dash you see the electronic eye, which is the automatic headlight dimmer. Beautiful leather upholstery. And of course the ever-present Cadillac fin is still here. Very large fender skirts too. A lot of information here in the trunk. The advertising of the period. You can tell the class of a car too by the way the trunk is appointed. You see the very nice cover for the tire and the overall covering for the trunk floor. There's no question that if you arrived in a car like this, it was clear that you had lots of money. And the amazing detail that the owner has gone to reproduce some of the original things like the advertising for the time. Amazing.